There are a lot of curriculum products out there. Some are better than others. I'll just tell you what we happen to use, and I still think it's the best thing out there with some major tweaks. And before I tell you about it, that applies to all curriculum products. I want you to realize that you are the expert in your children's lives. You are the expert. Do not let people push you around in your kitchen and in your living room. You are the expert. And so if you buy a curriculum with your hard-earned money, it needs to serve you and it needs to serve your children. And even within your home, each of your children will be needed different things from curriculum. You know, one child will teach himself to read, another child won't. You know, each of your children is even going to come at things from a different angle. And so make the curriculum serve you. Don't be a slave to anybody's curriculum, no matter how good it is.